Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the return statement in Unity to make your functions more powerful and flexible. What is return? The return statement allows a method to send back a value after execution. When a function is called, return is used to provide a result. Where is return used? To return a value gives perform a calculation and get a result. To exit a method early gives stop execution when a condition is met, to make code more readable and modular. First, we create a function that returns an integer. We define a function named sum. Before using the function, we need to define three variables. We declare to integer variables a and b. A is assigned the value 5, and b is assigned the value 10. These values will be used in our sum function. Now, we will store the sum of two numbers in the variable c and use the return statement to make the function return only a single value. Now, let's call the function inside the start method to display the result. As you can see, we have written a clean and efficient piece of code. This is how we use the return. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.